Here comes Blackie Chan. He lied. I couldn't find his special. Exactly. He's a fucking loser.
Hey, Bernie, I'm about to have a little smoke with my pipe here and then a little drink. I
No, Cookie,
Does
please don't
anybody
tell me.
know where they put the motorcycle? Where's that kind of Bye, everybody.
Oh shit, I can't. No, bro. Bro, I think Cookie just OD'd. Did you really just come just for that? I think you hit a crack pipe, bro. I told Cookie, bro, never get high in your own supply. Bro, that's our first rule. And now he's fucking sending the shipment just came from Frankie, as you saw. So Hannah was just sending us a SOS, pretty much telling us that fucking Cookie's on a full blown bender right now. Straight up, all of our fucking supply is being sniffed up his fucking nose right now. That motherfucker, or smoked apparently. I think it was a crack pipe he had. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, he bring up the he bring up the motorcycle. Only him and that other guy, that other fucked up guy. These motherfuckers like are seeing. I don't know what drug they're taking nowadays, but it makes you see motorcycles. I'm just saying. Yep, motorcycle. Thank you. Motorcycle. Bird. Motorcycle. Hey, X questions. Let's do it. Anyone new? Favorite everybody in this fucking bitch.